the world of construction, time is money. Every second counts and efficiency is key. That's why Mary, a dedicated employee at a leading construction equipment rental company, knew she needed to find a solution to streamline her team's marketing efforts. Before working with our team, Mary's company had a powerful tool at their disposal, Pardot, now known as Marketing Cloud Account Engagement. However, they weren't taking full advantage of its features and functionality. Before working with Kelley Austin, Mary and her team lacked foundational marketing processes and had only one staff member who was manually launching all of their marketing campaigns. Mary needed help with automating their processes to reduce many of the manual tasks that were leading to inefficiencies and a lack of cohesive messaging. Mary recognized the untapped potential of Pardot and realized that with the proper training and support, her team could achieve remarkable results. That's when Mary reached out to our team of Marketing Cloud and Pardot experts. We understood Mary's challenges and were determined to empower her and her team to maximize the power of Pardot. Our dedicated team provided comprehensive training sessions, equipping Mary's colleagues with the knowledge and skills to effectively utilize Pardot. We covered everything from email marketing to lead nurturing and automation. But we didn't stop at training alone. Understanding the importance of standardization, we worked closely with Mary's team to create branded email templates. These templates ensured a consistent and professional look for every communication, saving valuable time and effort. By implementing automation, we eliminated manual tasks, allowing Mary and her team to focus on what matters most, connecting with their customers. With the power of Pardot fully harnessed, Mary's company can now send personalized messages to their customers at precisely the right time. Through targeted campaigns and tailored content, Mary and her team can ensure that their customers receive the right message at the right time, driving engagement and building stronger relationships. By leveraging Pardot to its full potential, Mary's company has not only improved customer engagement, but also driven productivity and growth. Are you ready to unlock the true power of Pardot and revolutionize your marketing efforts? Contact us today and let us help you achieve remarkable results.